Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another truck from Wheaton Honda.
It's one slick-looking truck, a 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel. It has black accents, fender flares, Rebel-specific 17-inch wheels, and dual exhaust. It also comes with a hard-folding tonneau cover. This Ram is equipped with the active level 4-corner air suspension system, which allows you to raise and lower the ride height according to your needs. Doing a little off-roading? Just lift it and you're good to go. You get a factory-installed remote starter, keyless entry, and push-button start. Inside is leather seating with red accents, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, and dual-zone climate control. Plus, it comes with power folding, heated side mirrors, and a backup camera with sensors. The infotainment center has a large 8.4-inch screen with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. And yeah, it's got a Hemi, a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, cranking out 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission.
Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.